Ashik, President of AGI, Association of Geospatial Industries in India. I welcome you to our pavilion and would be happy to present an overview of evolving geospatial ecosystem in India and AGI's role in strengthening the adoption of geospatial information in the country. As we're all aware, some of the biggest challenges to the achievement of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Developments are geographic in nature. The need of the hour is to analyze, model, and map these challenges using geospatial technologies for evidence-based decision making. This calls for effective management of geospatial information to steer tech-enabled governance, infrastructure, and economies across nations. India is at the helm of this revolution. All government tiers in the country are embracing geospatial technologies for social, economic, and environmental interventions at the grassroots level. Geospatial private sector is a key partner in this vision, providing a strong base of technology for geo-enabled governments. Industry is spearheading data creation, processing, management, and dissemination in the country, empowering all major sectors. India's conducive policy environment and geospatial data liberalization in recent years, enabled by the current regime, have further driven investments, predictability, and ease of doing business for private players. Result is a much needed surge in activity and energy within the Indian geospatial ecosystem, to which AGI and its vibrant member network are proud contributors. As the voice of the Indian geospatial industry for the past 13 years, AGI is happy to witness and steer the steady penetration of geospatial technologies in the country's governance framework. One of our focus areas at AGI is to proactively connect relevant user organizations with the geospatial industry for networking, partnerships, and business opportunities. We would be very happy to facilitate networking, extended outreach, and offer expertise based on your requirements. Thank you.
I am Nikhil Kumar, President Geospatial Business at MapMy India, and also Senior Vice President at AGI. Well, as the AGI, not only that we create awareness around geospatial, we also facilitate policy, strategy, and technology adoption around geospatial for informed and insightful decision making. Whether it is modernizing city, creating digital connectivity, physical connectivity, reducing logistics cost, optimizing natural resources, providing housing, providing water, safe drinking water to all kinds of such schemes wherein geospatial play a critical role.
Hi, my name is Vishal Anand and I welcome you all to UN-WGIC 2022. We all know geospatial technology is foundation to all that we do in the digital world today. New ways to collect, new ways to visualize, analyze geospatial data is at the heart of geospatial revolution our world is currently witnessing. And personally speaking, India is at a very forefront for the same. Stakeholders we know in both public and private sectors in the country are actively adopting geospatial technology in their work. And basically this is leading to more informed decision making, more collaboration, and a very higher efficiency rate. Association of Geospatial Industry, as you all know, AGI, is playing a vital role in leading, connecting, and building an ecosystem within the geospatial industry, basically driven by an intent to enable stakeholders to share knowledge, network, and work collaboratively towards building a stronger digital India. Through various initiatives that we do at AGI, it is continuously for fostering the adoption of geospatial technology, along with focusing on capacity building, things like major outreach and policy level support to our members. We all know 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development is Leave No One Behind. And the theme at the UN-WGIC 2022, which is Geo Enabling the Global Village, I must say is very well aligned with the promise of 2030, which is leave no one behind. Use of geospatial information, things like earth observation and other forms of location analytics, location-based technology is very critical for the situational awareness and overall decision support, which will eventually help achieving the goal of leaving no one behind. With this, I would like to thank you all, and I hope you will have a great time in learning, deliberating, and come up with a lot of new ideas in UN-WGIC 2022. All the best.
Hello, I am Sriramam, Secretary General of AGI and founder and CEO of Neo Geo Technologies. I would like to welcome you to AGI to understand the kind of activities that we do and the role that we play in enhancing the use of geospatial technologies in the country. AGI, Association of Geospatial Industry, our main aim is to accelerate the growth of use of geospatial technologies in various government projects and help the industry and academia to come together to provide the best of the solutions to the governments. We work with many of the government agencies for providing the best of the services and to create the RFPs which are serving their purpose. We have helped in many of the project formulations like Swamitwa for mapping the land parcels of the country, and working with smart city projects. We had worked with infrastructure projects like Bharat Broadband. We had worked with water resources agencies like National Mission for Clean Ganga. Many of these flagship projects of this government, they all use geospatial technologies, and AGA plays a very important role in promoting the spatial technology as well as to get the best results out of this. We also work with the governments for bringing out the most suitable policy for the betterment of the geospatial industries. We had worked with the governments when the draft policies were made for geospatial data guidelines. We have made drone data policy, also helping the governments with the remote sensing data policy. So apart from this, working with the government and trying to bring the government and the industry together to deliver the best geospatial applications, we also work with department and the skill development ministry to promote skilling the people across in this particular geospatial domain. We are working with many eminent academic institutes for providing the trainings, and also we are developing an ecosystem for skill imparting across the country. One of the things that we really would like to see our role is in forging the partnership between the industry, government and academia to deliver the best results. And as we all understand, sustainable development goals can be met when the geospatial technology is best put to its use.